number 2A. So now we're going to go and see number 2B. We're going to answer whether the thing is true or false. Read and circle T for true. If it's correct, we're going to put T. Okay? Or F for false. If it's wrong, you're going to put F or false. Number 1. Majid brushes his teeth on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Only these days? No. So, is it true? Tick or wrong? Or F? Yes. Number 1, it is false. False. Not right. It is wrong. Number 2, sentence number 2 says, he packs his bag for school on Sunday to Thursday. What do you mean by Sunday to Thursday? It means starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Yes? Yes, it is true. So, number 2, true. Number 3, he eats breakfast every day. Yes or no? It is true. He eats breakfast every day. Okay. Then, number 4, he gets up on Wednesday and Friday. Only Wednesday and Friday? The rest of the days is always sleeping? Huh? True or false? Think. True, it means correct. False, it means wrong. It is F for false, yes. Number 5, he gets dressed every day. Yes. True or false? It is true. Excellent. Here we have 3 girls. The first one, Sarah. The second one is Helen. The third one is Fatima. And we have different routines. The first one, picture A, we have the girl is making her bed. Make the bed. B, doing her homework. C, she's washing her face. D, she's brushing her hair. E, she's cooking dinner. And F, she is setting the table. Ready? Now listen and answer. Okay, we're going to start. Narrator. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Activity 3. Listen, read, and match. Sarah. Majid has a project at school. It's on routines. Helen, what do you do every day? Helen, I wash my face, I make my bed, and I do my homework. Fatima, and I cook dinner every day. Sarah, what do you do every day? Sarah, I set the table and brush my hair. Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Listen again. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Activity 3. Listen, read, and match. Sarah, Majid has a project at school. It's on routines. Helen, what do you do every day? Helen, I wash my face, I make my bed, and I do my homework. Fatima, and I cook dinner every day. Sarah, what do you do every day? Sarah, I set the table and brush my hair. English grammar. Okay, here we have the timeline. We have 3 major tenses, which are past, something that happened and finished in the past tense, finished. Like for example, I studied yesterday. It means that I finished studying. I'm not studying right now. I studied yesterday. I went to the supermarket yesterday. I went to school last week. All these things show that it is in the past. Now, the second tense is in the present. When we're talking about the present, we're talking about now, or things that actually are actually habits or routines that we do every single day, or facts. When we talk about things that we do every single day, we're going to say, I wash my hair every day. I eat breakfast every day. I set the table every day. What else do we talk about? We talk about what? We talk about facts. things that never change. The sun rises from the east. The sun will always rise from the east, hopefully. Well, except when علامات الساعة تخرج الشمس من المغرب, but that's a different story. I also talk about, like I said, habits. For example, I can say Sarah goes to school every day, or not every day. Sarah goes to school from Monday to Thursday. Okay, this is the present. The future, something we will talk about, something that will happen, and that will happen hopefully sometime in the future. It didn't happen. It's not in the past. It is not right now. It is in the future, المستقبل. All right. So nobody knows the future except God. But we also plan for the future. Part of the reason we plan for the future because we want to succeed. So it is important to plan for the future. When I want to use the future, I'm going to say I will or I'm going to. You're going to take this with me the second semester, I think, and at the end of the first semester, something like that. Anyway, here we're going to look at the timeline again. We talked about the past. We're talking about the present today. And we have something called the simple present or the present simple or simple present. How do we make the simple present? We're going to use a verb like walk plus S or ES according to if you're using the third person. What does that mean? For example, Sarah washes. Okay? Washes. We're going to add wash, then ES. Washes, because we have sh sound. When you have the sh sound, you're going to add es. There's a third person. You're talking about she washes. You're not going to say she wash every day. It is wrong. If you say Sarah wash every day, you are making a mistake. Sarah washes. You have to add the es. Washes. Or Sarah eats lunch every day. Sarah studies every day. Okay, when I'm talking about myself or the second person, a person in front of me, you're going to say you study every day. Okay, if I'm talking to you, I'm saying you study every day. This is your habit. I go to school every day. I'm not going to say I go. Okay. We're going to say I set the table. But when I say Tom, I'm going to say Tom set the table or sets the table. Sets. Tom sets the table every day. Okay, this is for the present. As for the future, will be and going to. Okay, that's it. Think about it. I just gave you the examples. When do we use the present simple tense? Use the present simple tense to talk about routines and habits. Some things that we do every day or we do quite often, we use routines and habits. Okay, for example, I eat breakfast every day. I go to school every day. Like this. Okay. Number 2. Talk about scientific facts that will never change. For example, the sun rises in the east. We have talk about routines and habits. For example, I pray 5 times a day. This is a routine and habit, and I do it every single day. Talk about scientific facts. For example, the sun rises from the east. Read and write. Where we have the verbs in the box, we're going to use them correctly. Ready? Brushes, washes, sets, packs, does, reads, and cooks. Okay. So we're going to read number 1. Majid blank his bag for school on Sunday to Thursday. What? Packed. Majid packed his bag for school on Sunday to Thursday. Number 2. Tom the table every day. What does Tom do with the table? Sets the table. Yes, sets the table every day. Number 3, Sarah her hair every day. What did I say before? Sarah brushes. So we're going to use brushes her hair every day. Number 4, Helen her face every day. What do you do with your face? You wash your face. So Helen wash